Alright, so yet again, this video is for school. Yes, I'm sorry. I plan a series in the future and I want all the audio for it recorded before I make the videos. Okay, anyway, here we go.
Now the drums beat up again, for all true soldiers, gentlemen, let us list and march, I say.
Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. This is shown in this picture of a ball on a ramp. As the ball is released, it will roll down the ramp unless acted upon by an outside force, such as a hand grabbing the ball or a block of wood put in its path so it halts. Another example is the Nazi German Blitzkrieg in late 1941, when they were unstoppable on the Eastern Front until they lost to a bunch of illiterate Soviet peasants outside of Moscow. So, in summary, the first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force.
Willow Bay, over the hills and far away, no more from sound of drum retreat for Marlborough and...
Newton's second law states that force equals mass multiplied by acceleration, also known as F equals ma. An example is this hand holding up a string. The mass of the string, for now let's say it's 0.05 kilograms, and the acceleration is also gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. Multiply 0.05 kilograms by 9.81 meters per second squared, and you'll get the force, which is in the unit newtons. So 0.4905 newtons as the force enacted on the string. So, in summary, the second law states that force equals mass multiplied by acceleration, also known as F equals ma.
Over the hills and far away, the apprentice Tom he may refuse to wipe his angry master's shoes.
Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. An example is this German soldier on the Eastern Front. We'll call him, Hans. So, Hans is standing on the ground, which means he's exerting a force on the ground, and is seen. He's not falling through the ground, which means the ground is pushing back up with an equal reaction. Now, after this image was taken, Hans was most likely shot by a Soviet sniper, so we get another example. As Hans's dead body hits the ground, like this German soldier here, he exerts a greater force onto the ground, but it does not break or he does not fall through, proving that the action by Hans's body was given an equal reaction by the ground. So, in summary, Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, so in summary, Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Newton's second law states that force equals mass multiplied by acceleration, also known as F equals ma. And Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Hey, 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 соколи, поминайте гори ліси доли. Дзвін, 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 дзвіночку, степовий жаль вороночку. Hey, 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 соколи, поминайте гори ліси доли.